I recently did a guide on everything, a crazy fast search utility for Windows, but to save time on an already long video, I omitted some things. So here they be as tips and tricks for everything. In everything, there's a preview pane that you can toggle. This will show thumbnails of videos, images, and audio. It will also display the contents of text-based files, including Word, PDF, and even scripts. You can make your search results easier to read by enabling alternate color mode. By default, everything shows every file and folder when there's nothing in the search box, but you can set to clear on empty searches, and this will show nothing if there's nothing in the search box. The pattern attribute :H can be used in searches to hide hidden files from appearing in search results. Likewise, you can use S to hide system files. You can combine multiple filters from the Filters panel by holding down Control and clicking on each filter. The Home options let you set default search parameters, and when you press Alt Home, you're immediately taken home. You can reset your columns as configured in the Home options by pressing Shift Enter. You can have everything be on top of other windows, either all the time or as you search. Double-click anywhere in the menu to bring forth a new search tab. You can set folders to open inside of everything. Upon double-click, go to Options, Context menu, and set the location of your Everything exe. Find files like documents, pictures, music, and videos by creating bookmarks to your home media folders and applying the media filters to them. Macros behave as if they're the actual search string. Not only can they be used in logic operators, but they can be used as literal strings in a folder path. You can format the time and date columns in the advanced options. And if you don't like to see the timestamp in the date column, you can remove it by setting the time format to an empty space. You can manually set a file or folder's date modified, created, and access time. Create your own custom file list. In the file list editor, add files and folders, and everything will index them regardless of your index settings. These lists can be exported and imported. In addition, you can export your current search results as a file list. There is a built-in file rename tool similar to the one found in Microsoft Power Toys. Select your files, go to Edit, Advanced Rename, set your parameters, and rename multiple files. You can completely customize the look and feel of everything by modifying the theme. Almost every part of the program can be customized in some way with different fonts and colors. Everything has a comprehensive keyboard manager. Select a command, set a shortcut, and set where the shortcut should be triggered. Search Edit means that the shortcut will only activate when the search box is in focus. Result Edit means the shortcut will trigger when the search results are in focus. And Global means both, or everywhere on the application. The Advanced Settings window lets you easily modify every aspect of everything. And you can select to view only changes that you've made to the application. Everything has search commands that let you control the app and unlock even more search features. These search commands can be saved as bookmarks for easy everything management. The amount of commands is deep, and I'll have a link in the description below to the list of commands. Everything has an entire command line interface and has a help guide showing you how to use it. If you know how to script, the possibilities are endless. You can export your filters, file lists, bookmarks, history, and settings individually. This is great when reinstalling or migrating everything to a new system. You can also just back up your local and roaming everything folders. These folders contain all your settings and index databases. Lastly, you can get syntax help right from the program itself. This window shows you how to use all the filters and whatnot, and all the text in this box is selectable. Believe it or not, there's still more I haven't talked about with everything. That's just how feature-rich and configurable it is. I plan to do more everything videos in the future, but that's all I got for now. If you've not seen my everything guide, go ahead and check it out and learn more on how to use this awesome program.